Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety absolute. Unplug the fridge and switch off the breaker, then verify with a voltage tester. Once done, pull the unit into a clear workspace and protect the floor. Remove food and shelves so you can work unhindered. Next, take off the rear service panel and use labels or tape to mark connectors and refrigerant lines. This saves time when reassembling. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection because metal edges and oil can cut and stain. Now you handle the compressor and lines. If the system still contains refrigerant, you must recover it with certified equipment. Do not vent. Once safe, disconnect the electrical harness, start relay and any sensors. Photograph connections for reference. Support the compressor with a jack or block, then remove the mounting bolts and carefully separate it from the vibration pads. Work deliberately. Bending tubes or dropping the unit will cost you time and parts. Keep fasteners organized for a smooth rebuild. You're at the finish. Lift the compressor clear and immediately cap or tape open refrigerant ports to stop dirt ingress. Inspect the oil residue, mounting bracket, and suction and discharge lines for nicks or deformation, because you want a reliable system on reinstallation. Clean the area, document any parts that need replacement, and either store the removed compressor properly or arrange disposal under local rules. If startup problems appear later, one troubleshooting tip: check the start relay and wiring first. They cause most no-start issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.